Enough to hear your voice. No, I'm not at home. We'll meet later. I'll have everything ready.
Come on, bigger.
Near Pier 30, 8 o'clock.
Pier 30 is in Halifax. Walls might be out there. Is she up for this?
Come on. Come on. Are you videoing?
Yes.
Yes? Come on, you know you can do it.
A big smiler.
Come on.
Aiden's got the big smiles.
Come on.
Inside, let's tighten it up.
Yeah.
You're sticking your tongue out at Daddy.
Come on. Come on. Come on. What? Hey.
That's blood.
Oh,
Good girl.
good girl.